All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Alex Powell here, and we are doing a quick synopsis of a listing that we have available for sale right now here in Hamilton. And so we're doing a different style of video here where we're not just highlighting the features and benefits of this particular property, but we also want to show you kind of the comparables around the area to give you an idea of how we fare because we feel that we are priced very well. So if you or any clients of yours, if you're a realtor, or if you any friends of yours, if you're an individual who's just knows someone's looking, this might be the house for you. So this property is located at 390 Paling Avenue here in Hamilton. So I'm going to go through the pictures very quickly, show you guys what we've got to offer. It's got a beautiful layout on the inside, nice high-end vinyl flooring throughout. Open concept living room dining area. As you walk through, you can see there's a ton of light, new pot lights, electrical's all been updated. So all the windows are newer as well, which is perfect. It's got two bedrooms on the main floor. You can see kind of from an angle here. Here's the one bedroom, and then of course, if you go down this hallway, there's a secondary bedroom as well here. So the kitchen itself, tons of cabinet space, new backsplash. We've got a dishwasher, gas stove, which I know is incredibly attractive if you guys have ever cooked on gas. And then of course the bathroom is right off the kitchen as well, which is a full four-piece bath, completely new tile tub surround. Um, and nice finishes, high-end finishes. So as we head on upstairs, there is the stairs that go upstairs here. That was through the corridor we just looked at. As you go upstairs, there's a little kind of open office kind of play area nook. We have something similar at our house where the kids, do all their Legos and stuff like that. So it's kind of perfect for something like that. And of course, we have the large master bedroom off that with a bigger closet. So the backyard is perfect. It has this rolling gate at the back, so you can roll it out and then you can park your vehicle inside of it. It has this little pergola type thing as well as a detached garage. So it's being set up as kind of like a workshop type thing. It's got power coming to it, which is excellent. So I'll give you kind of a quick overview of where we're sitting at right now. So currently our list price is $450,000 or just under 449.9. Our neighbor, for example, right here, has just listed at 430, 429. So if we look here, finishes aren't as updated, still looks to be in reasonable shape. Similar size kitchen in terms of cabinetry, has the electric stove, and then the bathroom, same kind of layout. It only has 7 pictures, which makes me wonder what they're not showing. But if we look at the actual layout, it's a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. So we've got a 3 bedroom, 1 bath for the 20,000 difference, right? The other thing that this doesn't have is parking. Zero parking. So we've got one parking space, which is of course going to be a big value add. So if we look over here, we've got let's check out some sold properties as well in the last little while. Here's one that just recently sold, and this one sold for, where are we here? 548. All right, so it sold for just about $100,000 more. 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. So for the extra bathroom, you're getting a ton of value. Now, the one difference is this place does have a finished basement, which is a huge bonus, of course, if that's something that you're looking for. But you can see the cabinets are still outdated. The bathroom was nicely renovated, but the basement obviously has more functional living space. Older style paneling, ceiling tiles on the walls. Our basement at Paling is unfinished. However, the furnace, the hot water tank, the washer dryer is all set up there, so it's still very, very functional. But I mean, for $100,000 less, I mean, it's totally up to you guys. You still get the extra bedroom. We have the half story on top, so this is the living in the basement. We get the living on the top. Okay, so keep that in mind. We got another one here, sold for 486. So 2 plus 1. So once again, finished basement, but the one extra bedroom is in the basement. They do have the extra bathroom, no garage, however. And in this situation, they still have the one parking space. But if you look, 486, I think that we are priced very strategically. Similar finishes. Their kitchen is more open concept into their kind of living space, which is nice. But still kind of tight squeeze for all three, kitchen, living, dining, right? But nonetheless, very tastefully done. So I think that this was priced well. So this is just two kind of examples of some properties that we're kind of looking at. There's a couple of other properties that are going in the area as well. So for example, some of these ones that have some work to be done. This one actually just sold, so it just hasn't updated yet on this thing. But of course, it was priced to sell, investor special. It needed to be completely gutted. So in the situation where you're in for that, being listed at the 329 mark, probably needs 80, 90, $100,000 to be put into it to make it nice. So it'll probably put us right at the same threshold. So let me know if you guys have any considerations towards 390 Paling. As I said, it's a great property. Nothing needs to be done. It's move-in ready, and we'd love to see it go to a nice home. Thanks so much.